Thank you for joining us. We're now going to go over the general section properties calculator in the Intercalc Structural Engineering Library. So we'll add one of those calculations to the project. This program can combine up to 3 different types or categories, shall we say, of shapes. Add a title in there. We'll start with a graphic so you can see what we're building. Let's build a wide flange section with a channel on the bottom and a flat plate on the top. So we'll go to our rolled sections. We can have up to 10 rolled sections in a combined section. We'll browse the steel sections. Let's do a tall, skinny one. Let's do a W14 by 22. That section is 13.7 inches high. And so we'll locate a channel on the bottom of that. So for our second section, we'll pull in a channel. Any old channel will do. We will rotate it 90 degrees, 270 degrees, and then we will specify that it is 7 inches below the flange. So there we're locating that, and if it was an actual problem I would locate that exactly. And let's put a plate on top of that section. So we can use a rectangular section. Let's say that plate is 1/4 of an inch by 15 inches. And it's 7 inches above the center line. There's our plate, there's our wide flange, there's our channel. Let's say we want to add some pipes on the side of the web. So we'll go to our second rectangular and round section. We'll add a circular section. Well, let's just leave it at that radius. We want to move it to the right. So our rolled section has a web of, what is the web? I don't have the web on here. So we will move it to the right. So the drawing makes it look like it is in the correct position off to one side. And then, okay, 2.2 inches. We will add another one at negative 2.2 inches. So there we have our little section. Now let's add a shape on top. We have general shapes. We have all kinds of general shapes to add. So let's add a simple trapezoid up here. We'll hit the trapezoid. That's huge. So we'll say that the top width is 2 inches. The bottom width is 4 inches. The height is 8 inches. The offset, well, that's the offset. So you can have a slanting trapezoid. I can make a very funny looking trapezoid, but since where the bottom is 4 and the top is 2, the offset will be 1 to make it symmetrical. The CG location, we're going to bring on up here. Let me go 8 inches. To move it on up there. And, you know, we can also rotate that section. So that's an odd section, but it demonstrates what we have here. Here's a list of each item that we've added. There's our 2 steel sections, our rectangular plate, our 2 circles, and our trapezoidal section with their locations and angles and moment of inertia, section modulus, radius gyration. And then those are individually. And then when they're all combined, we have the results here. Moment of inertia, radius gyration, section modulus for each of the 4 edges, calculated CG, and the extreme edge distances of the section. It's a very simple program. Basically just build your patterns and it'll give you all the properties. Okay, hope that helped you, and thanks for listening.